So we got a package today. It is for the latest video uploaded, so.
Oh, the one that you just took a bunch of videos and just turned off the camera?
Just like 30 seconds of me panning and going, what am I doing? Because that's how it all feels. So, this is for that. We don't know exactly what it is other than I do know that it's a motor mount solution, but not exactly what it is. And some other things from our buddies at Dirty Dingo Motorsports. So.
And he even said there's something for me in the box, so.
That's very nice.
Yes, he's very nice.
I sharpened this knife.
Just what you needed.
So I'm pulling very slowly with it today.
Yeah, be careful because of what might be in there.
And it's, yeah, I don't want to cut. It almost looks like shirts or something.
Why don't you stop using the
Remember when I
knife?
sliced the PCN for less shirt open?
Yeah, so stop using the knife.
Pepperidge Farm remembers. Oh yeah. And the shirt's on the top. And they stapled it. That's on the dingo, not me, but the shirt looks okay. Oh, look at that.
Did he send you the shirt that I have that you liked with the C10s on the back of it? Yeah.
Is that what this one is? It's a dingo.
Yeah, on the back of it has the C10 truck.
Check it out quick.
Sure. It's the one that I got.
And then we'll dig in. Looks like there's plenty of their laser or plasma cut. Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Yep.
What a nice pro.
Because every time I wear mine, you say nice shirt.
I'm like, dang, look at those trucks. Oh, awesome. Freshie. Nothing like a freshie. Bolts. Oh boy, look at all this stuff. Hardware, bags, bolts, hardware. That has my address on it, it's staying in there. What is all this? What is all this, guys? Yeah, next up is a LTD video, guys. Don't worry.
No, you're just going to do what you did with that Fairmont and just keep taking
Never
videos.
show it and then sell it.
And now it's up for sale unless you already sold it.
Ah, yes, look at this. Uno. I like how it says driver, passenger. They so fancy.
I wonder if when they package, they can go, how many times can we wrap this to make it feel like Christmas?
I'm sure it's so they
It'll get
when
damaged.
FedEx, UPS, USPS footballs it, it doesn't blow itself out of the box like everything else does.
Yeah.
I'm sure they have learned that that's the appropriate amount of paper so it doesn't eject out of the cardboard. So these look like weld-in tabs. So this is like a universal motor mount kit that I think he said fits. He had a couple options. And he's like, or I could just send you a universal with tabs and you can put the engine exactly where you want. And I'm like,
I'm not videotaping your face.
bingo. Huh. I was waving the knife at everybody. Oh man, are they serious? Look how nice those sleeves and urethane guys are. So these are the motor mount bolts, then those pass through those. And these are the standoffs. And then, what are these? Oh wow, even more awesomeness. Oh, I get it. This is the LT adapter plate to their slider mounts. So these have the countersink boys. This bolts onto the LT. The sliders bolt onto this. The bolt center must not be the same. So then you can slide the motor back and forth and get what you want. And then you put everything like this how you want, and then you understand, you weld it cut these guys the length where you need, and then you have some extremely robust motor mounts, just like that. So thank you very much, Dirty Dingo. I now have provisions to mount my engine. This will be a much needed next step. So that'll be like one of the first things I do is put these on the engine and put it together and stuff it in that thing. So awesome. Thank you guys. They have been incredible with the products. Look at this stuff.
Yeah, and they're awesome to talk to and work with, yeah.
Robust. So thank you, and we will be using these and hopefully not making anybody look bad while I do it.